Hey everyone, it's Brian here from Honest Mechanic. If you've noticed your car emitting black smoke from the tailpipe, you're right to be concerned. An unusual exhaust color, particularly a dark one, is often a clear sign that your engine may not be operating as it should. Black smoke, to be specific, usually indicates an issue with the combustion process, and it's definitely something that requires your attention. In this video, I'll go over the most common causes of black smoke coming from your exhaust pipe. The main cause of black exhaust smoke is too much unburnt fuel in the combustion chamber. This is usually due to a problem with the air-fuel mixture. Let's delve into the specifics of what can cause this scenario. First up, we have clogged air filters. Your engine relies on these filters to pull in air, which then mixes with fuel for combustion. If these filters are blocked with dirt and debris, not enough air reaches the cylinders. This causes the air-fuel mixture to run rich, leading to unburnt fuel being expelled as black smoke. A simple solution? Replace that dirty restricted air filter to restore proper airflow and put an end to the smoke show. Next on the list, damaged fuel injectors. These little guys are responsible for spraying fuel into the cylinders for combustion. When they're not working correctly, they dump too much fuel into the cylinders, resulting in our unwanted guest, black smoke. The culprits could be leaking injector seals, clogged injector tips, or even overwide spray patterns. Replacing these damaged injectors or giving them a professional fuel system cleaning should nip this problem in the bud. Moving on, we have fuel pressure problems. The fuel injectors operate based on fuel pressure. When this pressure is too high, courtesy of a faulty regulator or pump, too much fuel gets injected. This overloads the cylinders with excess fuel that can't all be burnt, leading to, you guessed it, black smoke. To tackle this, you need to inspect the fuel system and replace any components causing this high pressure. Engine timing issues can also lead to black smoke. If the camshaft or crankshaft timing is incorrect, the engine's valves don't open and close at the right moments. This disrupts the proper entry and exit of air and fuel in the cylinders, leading to incomplete combustion and subsequently black smoke. Resetting the timing to factory specifications or replacing damaged timing components should resolve this issue. Lastly, we have manifold and piston problems. If the intake manifold gaskets are leaking, they allow unmetered air to leak into the cylinders, upsetting the air-fuel ratio. Oil blow-by from worn-out piston rings and cylinders can have the same effect. The solution here is to replace the worn-out manifold gaskets and overhaul the pistons and cylinders. This will restore proper combustion and minimize black smoke. So, there you have it. These are some of the main issues that can lead to black smoke from your car's exhaust. Remember, while black smoke might seem like a minor inconvenience, it's a sign that your engine isn't running as efficiently as it should be. Replacing worn manifold gaskets and overhauling pistons and cylinders will restore proper combustion and minimize black smoke. Too much black smoke can seriously impact engine life and performance. This rogue smoke signifies an abundance of unburnt fuel which contaminates oil, washes cylinder walls, and causes carbon buildup on valves. It's like a party crasher, overwhelming your catalytic converter. But it doesn't stop there. The environment also feels the brunt of this issue, as black smoke equates to your engine guzzling fuel and your exhaust producing higher levels of soot and emissions. This could even lead to a smog test failure, particularly in places like California. If you see persistent black smoke, get it checked out ASAP. Don't ignore it, thinking it's a temporary glitch. It's your car signaling you that something is off. A mechanic can decipher this signal, diagnose the root cause, and make the necessary repairs. Remember, early detection is your best defense against escalating engine damage. Catching it early prevents further engine damage, but left unchecked, you'll be looking at more serious problems down the line. Stay safe on the road, folks.